If I had two guesses, I'll bet you're either locked out of your home or locked out of your car, and you're probably a little stressed. Did I guess it or what? Well, listen, you no longer have to stress about it because we're here to help. Call your experienced local team of locksmiths today. We're on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we can be there in a flash. Oh yeah, if you're worried about damage happening to your property, don't sweat that either. We're insured and our work is 100% guaranteed. So what are you waiting for? Let us solve your lock problem quickly with our no-hassle service. There's absolutely no risk or obligation in calling us to check pricing for your particular situation. So go ahead, pick up the phone and call us today.